Here is the second example. As I will say here, I played cricket. Now easily we understand what? This is not the present. Even this is not the future. What is it? Why do you call it as a past? Why? And how do you understand that this is the past? Play and played. Because of this verb, we understand this is the past. So we call it as a past tense. Yes, it indicates you the past tense, and then it indicates the action. Is it? And therefore, remember, in the previous time I had given the example, and in that example I told you that any verb that indicates action plus present tense, that is called as a, yes, V1. The verb indicates action and present tense, it is V1. Now here action and past tense, therefore we call it. Now if somebody asks you why do we call it V2, because it indicates past tense as well as the action, therefore we call it the V2. Okay, so here very simple, played or such verbs which indicates the past, we call it as a V2. Now V2, it means past tense, but again my question is that past means which past? Which past? I don't want the name of the tense. As I had asked you what is the present, then you said simple present, but I don't want only the name of the tense. Past means what is your interpretation, what is your understanding about the past? Regular activity in past. Like, for example, okay, any please explain with the example.
That like that example, I cooked food.
Okay.
Like I prepared.
You know, whatever I prepared, I cooked, I made. Okay. Then why do we call it a regular action?
It's not now.
Okay, it's not now. Okay. But regular is going on. Okay.
Action is completed.
Action is completed. Okay. No, she says no, but you say yes. Okay. So past tense and such verb which is called as a V2, we call them past tense because we understand first the time. Yes, it indicates the past. Second, we understand the action, and the important thing is that that action already happened, already done. Doesn't matter whether the action is completed or not. You are saying that that event occurred, that event happened, the situation happened, and you want to talk about that. So your focus is not on whether the action is completed or not. Your focus is to indicate the past. I repeat, your focus is not to indicate the action is completed or not. Your focus is, your intention is, you are trying to indicate, you are trying to show what? The past. Is it? For example, at what time did you come today here? When did you come here? In the morning. So you want to indicate here time. Your focus is not on the completion of the action. Though this action is completed, but our focus is not on completion. Our focus is on the time. Therefore, it is called as a V2 or past tense. Are you getting my points? I know that it seems little bit different because our approach is completely different before this one. Now we are changing our perception, we are changing the understanding of these things. So it may feel something different, but it's really interesting. Once you understand this one, it gives you definitely confidence to use it correctly. Is it? But of course, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes a time. It takes practice. Yes or no? Are you agree with me?
Yes.
Chalo. Now please give me the actions that you already did. Maybe today, maybe yesterday, maybe day before yesterday, maybe in the last week, maybe in the last month, maybe in the last year. Any action.
I came school at 9 o'clock.
Yes, I came to school at 9 o'clock.
I went my village.
Yes, I went my village on last Sunday. Yes.
I prepared some flowers last week.
Yes, I prepared some. Prepared. Yes, I prepared some.
Flowers.
Okay, that's good. Then.
I ate pizza yesterday.
Yes, I ate a pizza yesterday. So now your focus is on not the completion of the action. What you are trying to say?
Past.
The action happened, the past. Is it? The day before yesterday, it means past. So you want to indicate the past, that is your focus. Yes, come on.
I painted a landscape.
Yes, I painted a landscape. Huh? Then you can say in the last month, last year, today in the classroom, yesterday in the classroom, like this. Yes, come on.
I wrote day and date.
Yes, I wrote a day and date on a board just today in the morning as soon as I entered in the classroom. So whatever you are saying here, your focus is complete on the past. So whatever the past actions, previous actions, action occurred, actions happened, and you want to narrate, you want to talk, you want to express, we use this past tense. And therefore, we call it the simple past tense. Yes or no? So this is called as a simple past tense, which is used to talk about the past actions. And to talk about that, we use V2. And of course, V2 indicates past. Now please give me the second forms of the verbs. Any verb.
Taken.
Taken. Taken. Is it a second form?
Two.
Is it two? Okay, then
Wrote.
wrote. Very good.
Ran.
Drank.
Ran.
Ran.
Called.
Ate.
Went.
Played. Now, my dear friends, as you know very well that most of the time we have a wrong belief, we have a wrong thinking that if any verb ends with ed, then only it is past. But as you can see here, deliberately I have taken more verbs which have not ended with ed. Only one verb I have taken which is ended with. Otherwise, all verbs are not there with ed. So our perception is that if ed is there, then it is past. It's not like that. Is it? Even come is V1, but came is V2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Even put is V1, put is V2. Even it is put, it's a third form also. Like that, so many things are there. So don't say that if ed is there, then it is past. It's not like that. Be honest and please tell me how many of you have such kind of perception up to now that if any verb ends with ed, then it is past. How many of you? आप में से कितने लोग ऐसे जज करते रहते थे यार ईडी है ना तो ये पास्ट है? Yes, that's good. Okay, so this is called as a past tense, and therefore we call it as a simple past tense. And of course, for simple past tense, we are using a what? Subject plus V2. Got it? Any doubt? Any question about this one? Yes, please.
Till which time?
We can call a past
Past.
up to the last moment. Up to the last moment. I just wrote a structure. I just wrote S. You just asked me a question. This is the past. Any moment that is past is called as a past. Is it?
Complete happened means correct.
So your focus is not, again I am saying that, your focus is not on the completion of the action. Your focus is on the timing. See, what is this one? Marker. I put the marker on the table. Is it past or present? Past, because action happened. Happened, it means the time is in the past. Maybe it may be before 1 second. It's just past. It can be present, but it depends on your intention. Is it? Because you still, again I'm saying that your focus, your intention, you are not trying to say the completion of the action, you are trying to say the action happened in the previous time, the past time, therefore it is called the past tense. I hope you got the answer. Good, nice question. Anything else?